Fuck up on a girl in a one pineapple frock, pineapple baggy and pineapple socks. Bow says she want a pineapple.
I don't know why you even bother come school, you know. The one who just dance, you know. Imagine, me I teach something so sick. Erlan, shut up and go sit down.
Them they want we up. Who got and come back with a formula? Have everybody speechless like Michael Jackson song, you know. When we are work, them did a laugh, you know. No blood in me, I even Johnson on the heart, you know. Find a formula. Be making money to we formula. Yeah, that's the formula.
Today I learned a very important lesson. You know, say poor mom live, so a morning time, no water in the day. My tank is it. So I say, alright, I go full some water. Last night I said that I go full some water. And I go wake up 6 o'clock and drink it. And then I wake up and I FaceTime till 9 o'clock. And I'm going to the fridge to drink the water. Be ice. I know I have to wait till 10 o'clock to drink water. Give 11 o'clock. Procrastination. Don't procrastinate. Because now I'm thirsty. I'm not on the water till 10 o'clock. No water. No water.
Yo, dog.
Yo, you hear the peanut butter joke?
He dog.
No, dog, I know.
Dog, never mind. I'm not about to tell you. You're going to spread it.
Dog, bill my youth. It's never that funny.
Okay, class, your exam is about to start. Please remember to read through the papers thoroughly. You may begin. Miss, me can go for my geometry set? Yes, you may. Anyone else who wants their geometry set, you can go for it now.
Thanks, miss. I don't know how we would have passed without it. Jesus, when I go to you, I nearly forget mine. And please remember, class, you will fail without it. You can't tell me nothing, you know, must pass this. I'm not done.
Miss, me can get 5 pieces of extra paper. It's an extra paper. It's an extra paper.
Reporting live for TVO News. We are in the country of Ocherios, and we are here to hear a complaint that has been arisen that people has been traveling from Jamaica to the country of Ocherios illegally. Now, come with us to see what is really going on.
Hey man, the boy they run after you. This man in the damn backyard. I don't know if the man come from Jamaica or Ochi. I don't think of Jamaica he come from. I think of Ochi he come from.
Apparently, this is the culprit. Reports have been made that he thinks he's a carrot. This is just phenomenal.
I can't sleep at night time. My ear from. That's a carrot midnight. You see if I not cook soup and about boy stay there for days. Watch out. Watch out. You see me I tell you, carrot free that soup, you know. Carrot free that soup.
This is just simple.
Every time I say about my tongue fall for you, you're so tall, Bucky. You like tracks? Then make a runway. I'm carry to the Philippines. Wait, when say? Maybe you hear that? How I say? I tell people about Philippines. Me Jesus. Who named Philip?
I'm calling about.
He must live round the road. Me tell you, you know, from this little boy stop go church, he ma go with beer slackness, you know. But wait, man, me gonna call Philip, man, and tell her. Beep boop bop, beep boop bop, beep bop. Bring.
Nah, get no taxi service. Good afternoon. Hello? I'm stranded. I'm
Hold on, give me a minute. Me say, girl,
what you say?
Put on the weave of beer, scratch it a scratch.
That is dirty.
They even know how I make that weave them.
It's dirty.
But yeah, but you know which boy can buy the good weave them? It there.
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call. If you do have enough credit, please hang up and try making your call again later.
Let's go, warrior. How are that, cricket? How it looks so different?
No, Grandpa, basketball.
What kind of basketballs you talk about? A cricket that?
Grandpa, the sport name basketball.
His cricket! Since when sport name basketballs? Anyways, who that a play? How would that say lesbian James? What kind of man can name lesbian James? Where Brian Lara there? Handy man will tell the lady if you no blush. How are this them really a show, man?
Grandpa, there's something named basketball.
Me not like the cricket match. Who else this a place? Stew Curry? So since when Curry can stew? First a lesbian James. Babes, you love me? Babes, baby. Wait, piece of bugu. A bite, you just bite off of me? No, sir. It's serious. So you really think, say, me I go stay here and make you ignore me? Show me attention. Show me attention. Me love you. Kevin, me love you. Kevin! That's why me upon you. Every day me come over here, yeah, play FIFA. Me hope now that me left your FIFA can get you where you want. You and this blasted FIFA. You know what? Me gone.